Hey, we have something badass here. Some wool, wrench, and so yeah, we have the bad sound probably from here. Okay, let's make a check. Of course, we have a dust and dirt here, but basically this works. This looks good. Now we are considerate about this part. And let's just try to take it out. Okay, let's see what we have, and we have our anvil almost stuck here. Okay, as you can see, the pin from here fall out. The pin was stuck in here, and the anvil knot looks really good here. Let's make a check how it spins inside. It stucks a little bit. Of course, we have a lot of dried grease here, so we can probably clean it and everything will be good after lubrication. But we have other fine problem. This pin from here is broken, so we definitely need to replace it. Okay, now let's check what we have more inside. We have the bearing. The bearing looks solid. The gears looks good, so we need this part, and to clean it, lubricate it, and we can consider the armature ball bearings. Basically now we have lifted the bearing, and I can put all the hammer or all this part into the vise, of course trying not to damage the gears. Okay, now I'm holding it, and I will try to lift the bearing gently with the screwdrivers. I don't want to get it loose. Okay, you can see we have the bearing. Okay, now I will try to do it in this way. We have a washer, then we have pins for the gears. Of course, we have 3 gears. And now it's our main part. We need to press these ones together to get them the bolts inside out. So you can try to do that with the wires, unless you have the big ball bearing remover or something similar. Let's try to do that with the wires. Let's check it if we can get the ball out or not. Press it a little bit more. Need to catch it. Okay, got it. Now slowly taking everything out from the vise. We have this part here, and you can see that we can take all this part out. We can install the new one, and of course we have the washer here and the grease inside. I will leave it as this. I will just grease this part here. Okay, now I will press it again and we'll insert the bolts one by one. So I think I made a small mistake by not aligning the anvil. Okay, I will set the anvil deepest groove to the place of these bumps, and now I think it will be good. Now we can try to insert the ball. If it not fits, it means we need to press everything a little bit more. Okay, I will just hold the ball here. Why I'm hammering it? Because I'm pressing only the bottom of it, so the top it's a little bit in the front. Let's try to insert the ball, and it seems it's almost in place. Okay, the ball is in place, so we can try to release all the parts here. You can see how the ball is holding everything in place. Now we're releasing it. The ball here is holding the parts, so now we need to put the ball to the other side. Let's insert the ball. The ball is in. Get it released. Okay, I lost the bottom ball, so I will repeat the steps. Okay, we got the balls in. I will put some grease here too. So what we want to do now, we want to put the gears here, of course the pins for the gears. I will slightly grease them. Now I will grease this housing. Try to take the washer. I'll grease the washer, and once you need it, this bearing, I will wash it and put some good grease in it. Okay, now it's a little bit cleaner. I will put the grease in it from both sides. Okay, now I like it. Now we can hammer it, and we can hammer it with the whole part, but basically you can use the anvil or the socket, for example. Okay, and then we have the socket that big, I think. Yeah, I can use this one. Okay, what can we do now? We can grease the gears here. Greasing the housing a little bit. I will put some grease here on the spring. We'll grease the hammer itself. And now I'm just inserting it in the housing, aligning the gears. The gears are in. So now we can grease the anvil. I'll put some grease here. Now we have the anvil. The second thing we want to go is the housing. If you think I'm putting too much grease, let me know. Keep greasing this plastic washer because it will be here, so I'm just putting it here, and I can easily flip it upside down and nothing will happen. Okay, small amount of grease. I have sheen on my gloves, and I need to get all the other parts Okay, let's close it. And maybe I not got the plastic bit, or oh no, bearing. Don't want to go in. Okay. Now we have everything in, align it. We can check if everything spins good. If it spins good, that's good for us. If not spins good, that's of course bad for us. Okay, now double check for the wiring. Okay, good. Now inserting the armature. Sometimes needed to spin it a little bit to get in. So I'm just trying to move it around. Okay. Pop it in. And it's our time to test it. Okay, nice. So, working nice. That's all. You can see that you need to tear down everything to get this part out and be replaced. Thank you for watching. If you like my videos, thumbs up, subscribe, and waiting you in my next video. Bye.